Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, founder of Option Pit, and this is the Volatility Report reminder. This is for educational purposes only. Shouldn't be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Well, here we are a couple days in a row where vol is in and the market is kind of flattish to up. The market feels like it wants to drift higher, but take a look. I mean, the NDX is barely positive. The Dow's up 80. The VIX is down $1. That's a nice move, but the Russell's still negative. It's been kind of soft after being really strong. 2 days of the VIX really taking on the chin and nothing really happening. So, you got to think that it was maybe a little bit of volatility fatigue, a little bit of we're over this fatigue. It feels like the market does want to move higher. Some things that are moving around. We did have some earnings. Yesterday, you had Adobe, which is up nicely. Ulta Beauty is up nicely on their earnings. So a couple of decent earnings reports yesterday. Your FANG stocks are pretty flat today. Facebook's up 80 cents. Apple's flat. Amazon is pretty flat. Google is flat. Google's kind of the boring of the FANG stocks, and Netflix is kind of the anti-FANG FANG. The vol product, you see UVXY, VXX, they're all kind of getting beat today. I think that there's a potential flush coming in those names, especially if the S&P gets ahead of steam. It feels like it wants to. If there was a day where the S&P was just going to kind of out of nowhere rally 20, 30 points, today would be that day. It just feels like it was set up for that. Not saying it happens, but that's the way it kind of lined itself up yesterday with vol getting smashed. Some interesting stuff that we continue to like. Flies have been really interesting. We've done well on, just some little calendar spreads and, playing the financials, the cyclical moves in the financials. So that's kind of the way I see it and the way I think things are going to land today. I don't think it's going to be that exciting. But if there was potential for a real rally this week, I would say today is the day. I think the market's kind of said fed to a lot of the administrative risk, which was probably overblown in the first place. All right, if you got questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com, or call me 888-TRADE-01. Have a great day.